they're just right down the road. I mean, it is good barbecue though. Just make sure I did the meal run. Great job is right in front of you. You're right, it is, because it's right in front of me. It's where I work. Schneider International. Alrighty. I'm gonna do my parking here. I can get my back tire up off the ground. I just love it. It's probably not good on my suspension, but you know me, I don't really care. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, it's got a couple inches of air on it right there. Alrighty, back to work. Work on this boom, do all the deposits and everything, and head to Wilmington.